Question number 406, Sri Ram Mohan Naidu.
Sir, question 406.
जवाब पटल पर रखा है सर.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. First of all, I'd like to congratulate the Minister for bringing revolutionary changes in this ministry. And I can proudly say that AP has been a huge beneficiary for his efforts in this ministry, sir. And my my question has also been regarding the expansion of highways. And specifically regarding NH16, which is Chennai-Kolkata highway, sir, 140 kilometers stretch of this highway lies in my constituency. And this is also part of the Golden Quadrilateral Network that Honorable former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji has envisioned. And my question would be, sir, even for the 6-laning of this project, 4-laning has already been completed. Now for the 6-laning, it is being done in phases. And I've asked for a specific segment which is from Narsanapeta to Ichapuram. When will the 6-laning of this part be taken up? And there is a technical answer regarding the traffic that goes through this stretch. But my question, sir, because this Golden Quadrilateral Network is the primary network for the country, why don't you take it up in one stretch rather than doing it in phases? Is the government willing to take up the whole project, at least the Golden Quadrilateral Network, make it 6-laning at one go or not?
Sanmanya Speaker Mahoday, the existing stretch from Ichapuram to Narsanapetta of about 100 kilometers is 4-lane. The stretch was also strengthened by providing 16 number of flyovers and underpasses as per the site requirement. At present, the stretch is with toll operate transport on TOT basis. Sir, in the TOT concession agreement, there is a provision of capacity augmentation in case the average daily traffic in any account it shall be exceeded to design capacity of 40,000 PCU. Sir, actually, we are facing a lot of road accidents. I personally feel that this is the time for the department to rethink about this criteria, because the 40,000 PCUs is actually the very heavy traffic is there. But presently on this road, the traffic average is coming to be one of the toll plaza at Lakshmipuram toll, it come 19,324 PCUs. And Madappam toll plaza, it come 29,240 PCUs. The average coming is 24,823 PCUs. And actually, for 6-laning, we need 40,000 PCUs. So there is a problem. But our ministry is seriously thinking on the line to change this criteria. Because of road accident, we are facing crucial problems. So regarding this case, though the project is in TOT mode, there is already provision in the contract, but the provision is only up to that level when there is a traffic density more than 40,000 PCUs. So that is exactly the problem. But sir, we will consider about it, the criteria. As early as possible, we will change the criteria for the whole nation, and 100% we will consider your demand, because this is also the one of the important road. But we cannot make 6-lane mandatory to all the national plan, because it is ultimately the cost is important. So it is depending upon the traffic density, and 100% government is seriously thinking about the traffic congestion and road accidents. So positively, we will change the policy and we will think on that line.
Supplementary.
Thank you very much, sir. My second supplement question, sir. Now the National Highways is also thinking to expand its network to 25,000 kilometers. And even the central government has allocated an increase in the budget, sir, 68% increase up to the tune of 2 lakh crores. And I would like to read one quote from the Ministry of Council on Energy, Environment and Water, sir. What it says is over 75% of India's districts are extreme climate spots. 27 out of 35 states and union territories are extremely vulnerable to climate change. And national disasters are becoming more frequent and common, sir. Sir, my question to the government would be, sir, because there has been a huge push in the infrastructure, has the government taken any steps to make the future projects under this ministry climate change proof or climate change resilient? Thank you, sir.
Sir, we are taking a lot of initiative, because the ecology and environment is very important for the country. The ethics, economy, ecology and environment. Sir, regarding road construction, we are very cautious about protecting our environment. Now the transplantation of the trees is the highest priority for that. We don't want to cut the tree. We want to transplant the tree. At the same time, we are using soil stabilized technology by which we is reducing the percentage of aggregate in the road construction. The second thing which is very important, we are using the special technology for bridges where we save the cost, where the distance between the two pier between the metro or in the bridge is 30 meters in India. But as per the new technology in Malaysia, now it got up to 120 meters. So it reducing the cost. So the beam is now precast by steel fiber, by which we are reducing the cost and also protecting the environment. At the same time, we are using 10% plastic and rubber, waste rubber, in road construction for rubberized bitumen. The idea is that we will make the standards for that and using of that. I try my level best to use the Gazipur West for Meerut Express Highway, but I can't succeed in that mission. But 100% in road construction, at the time the road construction is very important. For ecology and environment point of view, we have to protect the trees. We will make transplantation of the trees, no cutting of trees. And the second important thing is, we will use all appropriate technology which is going to protect our ecology and environment. At the same time, one of the big problem which our ministry is facing, that is the cost of steel and cement is now 2 times, 3 times bigger. Now it is a big problem for the industry. Contractor is also facing problem. The MSME also, there is a lot of raw material which is of steel and cement they are using. They are also facing the problem. So this is the appropriate time that we need to find out different technology. So one of the technology is also given to me, it is glass fiber. That already the bar is with me in my office. Now already the recommendation from IIT is with me to ministry. Now we are going to give priority for, in place of steel bar, they can use glass fiber bar in the road construction and bridges. Because when we will create alternative, it is going to give us the result for reducing the cost. Even for cement also, there are a lot of experiments are going on by using a special chemical, adding into flash, without you can make the concrete road. So we are also working on that. I am very, very serious about to reduce the demand of steel and cement in road construction. For that reason that we need appropriate price for that. And that is exactly the line of the department. As far as ecology and environment, your expectation, we will try to fulfill that. At the same time, we will try to develop alternative mechanism and a new technology for the material which we are using.
Shri